Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 100% disk usage and CPU usage, and we will be also boosting the FPS so that you can play games without any lag. Let's fix that guys. And the next thing, you want to go to power option, open it. Now you want to click on change advanced power setting. Here you want to click on high performance over here, and you want to go to processor power manager, system cooling, go to active this and click apply and OK. Close out of here, and you want to go to tab, right click and go to task manager. And now we want to go to startup tab, and you want to disable all unwanted application from here guys. If you not want anything over here, you want to disable it guys. Want to disable it like this. Want to disable, right click and click on disable, or click on it and click here disable. You can disable like this guys. Close out of here. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.